Hello guys, my name is Pulok Kumar. Today we are going to start example 2, start fast latch circuit. Now the question will come your mind, what is it? This function of circuit is that once the power is turned on, the output will be permanently on. It works a latch circuit. It does not turn off without that switch. First I work this program and then match the condition. This program is ready. Compile this program, then simulate, then online mode. Let's simulate this program and then condition this. Now stop mode, this run mode. This condition when the normally open contacts x1 on and the normally closed contact x2 is off, y1 will be on and last. Then I tried, x1 is on, y1 is on, then x2 is on, y1 is not off because it less. If you make x2 is on at this time, y1 will continue to be on because of the last contact. y1 is last contact. This program is complete. Thank you.